The wildfire devastation will not let up in Northern California. Another town has nearly been wiped out. The small town of Grizzly Flats in Dorado County went up in flames, driven by hot weather, strong winds, and dry vegetation. KCAL9's Anthony Pura shows us.
Flames engulfed the majestic pine trees of Northern California as wildfires ripped through the landscape. East of Sacramento, the Caldor Fire doubled overnight to more than 53,000 acres, incinerating the small town of Grizzly Flats. Few homes remain standing. The elementary school is destroyed, and this is what's left of the church.
By last night, we were watching orange and gray skies and watching our town burn to the ground.
Derek Shaves lost his home and his community.
It was a beautiful, close, small, vibrant community of mixed peoples from every demographic that you can think of, but a tight community, and it's nothing now.
Hot, gusty weather is fueling the flames, pushing fire teams to their limit.
Our folks have been fighting fire for nearly 2 months now. They're tired, they're fatigued, they're digging lines 16 hours a day for 14 days straight, and we're doing everything we can for their health and safety as well.
Families salvage what they can before moving to safety.
I'm 76 years old, and it's like, I don't feel that brave anymore.
Marvin Silva left without knowing if he'll ever see his home again.
These things could burn, they could burn for weeks now.
Further north, the Dixie Fire continues to rage as the biggest of about 100 active fires in the western states. It has consumed nearly 1,000 square miles, the largest in California's history, and still going strong. Anthony Pura, KCAL 9 News.
Boy, such a